So hello friends, welcome to my new video of coding and tech with Krishna. Today is Republic Day and we are going to build a program called color chooser as I promised to build in my last short video in my channel. You can see here. So I built a program but I not tested. I will tell what I have done. So first of all I will tell what is the output, and after I will tell what I have done. So in this program there will be a default background that is like a dark green and a yellowish and greenish button which will tell click me, and when I will click in it there will be open a function called color. Here you can see default color is the real program running program, and we will you can shift the toggles to decide what to or can write, or I can write also what I and use, and here I can also red green blue RGB values. So I will be using this. So you can see here will be change the program. So I will tell now how I made it. Here, so first of all we have to import libraries of Python. I am using Python here. In next video I will use HTML. So here you can see we are importing library, that is I am importing from tkinter import asterisk. Asterisk means in Python all thing. From tkinter is a library and I am importing everything means asterisk in Python. So and second import will be from tkinter import color chooser. As we are going to build a color chooser, we will import color chooser from tkinter is library of Python, as I already know. And we will build a function for clicking. I will tell it. Okay, so first of all we will use def click. Def click means, as many basic Python coders already know, definition click. Definition click means I am going to build a function, new definition of a click. For this we have to use empty parenthesis after a function name. Function name is a click, and next after empty parenthesis there will be a colon for indentation, and in the second line there will be a color is equal to colorchooser.askcolor. Color is the variable of colorchooser.askcolor. Color chooser is a imported function from a tkinter library that will ask color. That, as you can see, I have imported I have run before. They've shown a function for they will be toggles and everything will ask color. When we ask color, the color has which color we will decide. It will be seen in the colorHex by color1. Okay, and then when the window.config means window.configure or window.change, window.config we will use bg is equal to colorHex. bg means background. What the colorHex will be, bg will be decided and background will be changed. And now we will be building our tkinter screen. Tkinter screen is equal to window is equal to tk. So without this we will not able to make a window. Window is equal to tk means window is a variable, and we will use tk for making a screen. As default background, we will now building a default background, that is window.config as bg is equal to, that's a hex value of any color shade. You can also use primary colors 12 that they are. It will be shown as a that you see in a dark green color. This is the hex value of that. default color. Now we will learn how to make measurements of a screen. For in Python library tkinter, we will use window.geometry. Window is a screen name that I have shown here. Window.geometry is a function of a tkinter, and open a parenthesis, and here in the apostrophe we will use 420. That's a x between 420 and 420, not a multiply. Many will think it. So 420 by 420 means pixel size. 420 by 420 means square. Okay, so as the next line we will making a button. Button is the variable, and we will building a button in the capital. That's important. And we will open a parenthesis, and inside it we will decide a text, as you seen, click me button. That's why I have shown an output. And the bg is equal to, that's a color, that's a light green color. And we will decide a height is equal to 3 dots a pixel, but it's a Python matter. And the width will be 9, that's a 3 times longer. And the command is equal to click without parenthesis, that's a function here, click. So I will import it here, and not to use parenthesis here, with parenthesis that this will not run. And without this line button.pack empty parenthesis, it will not be fitted. Button will not be fitted in the screen, because we have to fit button on the screen. So we will use button.pack empty parenthesis. Now end of the program name, window.mainloop. This is a necessary line of tkinter programs. So window.mainloop, window is the name of a screen that I have used here. Window is equal to tk, that's a variable. Window.mainloop, mainloop is a function of tkinter, that's a library of Python. Mainloop means without this line, the code, when we run the code, it will show the output for 1 second, and it will be moved. We cannot do there anything, so we will run a loop for it. That's a main loop with a empty parenthesis. So we will, when we do, I will choose a beautiful that's sure. So we have done it. So that is for this video. We will meet tomorrow. So goodbye.